Okay, we're going to do the inside video. This is Monterey 2018 model. It's got the MerCruiser engine itself, 6.2. This engine was put in, I believe, in 2020 by some kind of promotion or something with MerCruiser. About around 590 hours on this complete drivetrain. It's got the Bravo Duo prop. It's got the full canvas package on it for camping. So the owner of this boat, they tootle around the island. They don't spend the night on it, but they do run the generator from time to time. It's got a Westerbeke generator. Let me climb up here. So they keep it maintained, keep it clean. It's stored inside the marina somewhat and on the outside. So we're inside. Of course, it's a little chilly outside today. So this is where your battery switches are, your item, storage, ice box. Let's see. Go into the cabin. There's your control center, generator, shore power. Switch it over, stereo systems. So there's your aft cabin underneath the center, stove. So these folks are not getting out. They're actually gonna get a smaller vessel. They have taken care of it. So let's see here. Let's do a little power up here. That's on start. House. So that's telling us that we're in shallow water. Where's the GPS? Got your Marine built in the dash here. Fusion stereo system. Nice steering wheel. GPS in bottom. Depth over here. I've got pictures of the engine room. You can take a look at those. I can't lift it up with the canvas up, but nice little vessel. And it's been maintained by a certified MerCruiser technician, always. Current MerCruiser technician. All your switches are there. So you walk up the stairs here. Go out in the front. You got your windlass up there. You got a little area to lay out on or sit while you're cruising around. Nice hard top radar arch. Okay. Call Whit or Larry for any questions, and we'll go from there. Have a great day. Thanks.